Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block third-party cookies on Chrome. How to totally block third-party cookies on Chrome. The first thing you do is from your Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner over here. Click on settings, which is the one before the last option at the bottom right here. And then you click on privacy and security, third option under Chrome settings. Then over here you can see third-party cookies. Click on it, and right now it is blocked for in incognito mode, but want to block it all sites, so you click on this, which is the third option. Now once you click on this, you block third-party cookies. Sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience, for example, to keep you signed in or to remember items on your shopping list, but sites will not be able to use the cookies anymore to see your browsing activity across different sites, for example, to personalize ads featured on some sites, and they may not work. What this means is this: it's not as if the site you're on cannot use the cookies to improve your browsing experience, but it cannot use the cookies but to see your browsing activity across other sites, different sites. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to totally block third-party cookies on Chrome. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.